Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact way to download and install the RedNote app in your computer. It's pretty easy process, just follow me. On your computer, open a browser and in your browser, open this link. And you will get this link in my video description below. So for computer user, to use RedNote from your computer, you have to open this link and then you will directly jump into the official RedNote website. Here, if you're first time, go ahead and log into your account. I'm going to show you how to log in to your RedNote from your computer browser by using this QR code option. All you have to need, go to your mobile device and open the RedNote app and make sure you have logged into your RedNote account from your app. Now tap on me and here you will find this scan QR code icon. Just click on that. And now we have to scan this QR code from our mobile. And here just click on login and that's it. Here, as you can see, I've successfully logged into my RedNote account from my computer browser. And if you want to translate RedNote to English language from your browser, click on this more icon. And here, click on translate and select English. And now you will be able to easily use the RedNote from your computer. And now, if you want to install the RedNote, all you have to need from your browser, click on this more icon. And here, hover over on this cast, save and share option. And here, just click on install RedNote. And click on install. And that's it. You have successfully installed your RedNote in your computer. Now on your desktop, here you will find the RedNote. Just open it and go ahead and you will be able to easily use the RedNote from your computer just like so. So if you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.